Okay, so I'm Shabari from Spacescan team, and there is a need in merge providers in Chia to accept tokens, like especially the CAT tokens and XCH. So we were trying to solve the problem. So we have created xchflow.com. So it's your payment stake provider. So it's kind of similar to your Stripe, but if you want to accept XCH and CAT in an easy and seamless way, so you can use this XCH flow. Okay, so it's natively built for Chia. So that means like so a lot of things are streamlined, and we take care of your security very seriously. And there is no setup fees for this, and there is no subscriptions. It's like a flat transaction fees, just to be better than the existing offers we have in this space. And this is for any merch providers, online stores. If you're trying to sell your merch and you want to get into a subscription mode, and this is the easy and best way to do that. And it works with that existing merch platforms, like we have a WooCommerce, Shopify. So we do have a plugins to support that easy integration. So you can integrate those plugins what we provided and quickly get started with accepting XCH or any CATs which is in the Chia ecosystems easily in few clicks. And we provide simple APIs for any developers who wants to extend it, because you have a platform where you host your stores, which is not a popular one. We don't have a plugin. You don't need to get stuck in there. You can just develop your products or the flow which easily with our APIs. So like this is how it works, Exchange Flow. So we basically have your master key. So from as a merchant, when you provide, you create stores, you provide your master key, and we derive those addresses for each transactions, and we use those addresses, individual addresses for every transactions what we process it. So that's where we ensures that it's not going through any smart contract or anything which is immediate. So it will directly go to your merchant's wallet every transaction when it gets passed on it. So that's how it's processed. So that's very, very unique to Chia. So that we wanted to utilize that part of it. And this is the dashboard which is similar to your Stripe dashboard. So you want to keep that streamlined in a way which is easy to use it. So this is your dashboard. There you can create a different type of products and then use those products as a links to like create invoices, and you can mail those invoices to anybody who wants to pay for you. And when you create a product, typically if you are a merchant store, you have options like you want to have options like I want to like provide this merch for a dollar amount, or I want to provide this merch for a XCH, or provide this for a CAT. So all these combinations be supported, and we do that internal conversion. So you can set your hat for like a $20, or you can set the hat for like a 2 XCH. We do that conversions when the user comes and tries to pay for that. So all that heavy lifting of conversions, we will take care of it. And this is a way, if you are manually creating invoices for anyone to pay it, you can create it something like this, and you can select how much XCH you want to create it, and then you will have that like, so unfortunately some of this got cut. So you have this URL, you can send it to anyone, you can mail it to anyone to pay it, so the users can pay for it, and then they can able to use that same URL as an invoice for future also. So they can able to come back and see what they paid for it. And as I said, if you are a developer, you want to have like API friendly. Once you want to create those workflows, you want to create a product, or you want to generate a pay links, or you want to check the payment status, we have an API, and that helps you to quickly do that. And we have a webhook similar to Stripe, where you get a webhook so you can act on the purchase. So the same thing you can do it here also. Okay, so then as I said, we currently support WooCommerce and Shopify, so we have plugins for that. So if you are a provider in any of these stack, you can easily quickly get started in few, and it is easily integrated with WooCommerce. You can able to pay for it. And so if it is, we host the checkout flow. So if you are a merch provider and you don't want to have handling all this payment side of it, you integrate this plugin, and if any user pays it, we redirect and we handle those checkout flows. So user can go there, and there they can able to see what is the XCH amount, or if it is a dollar amount, they can choose they want to pay it in XCH or any CAT, and all these conversions we handle it, and user can easily able to pay it. It's similar like a Stripe payment link. So if anybody who's used a Stripe, I think most of the developers here using a Stripe, it's exactly similar. The flow is simple and easy. You can integrate it and you can go and quickly. So as part of this, so we provide like 1,000 transactions free for Toronto meetup. So if any developers here, you can go out now, you can sign up in xchflow.com and you can start using it. You can sell 1,000 items without single fee, right? So no setup fee, no transaction fee, you can go and pay it out. And it's enough to cover most. That's what I'm thinking. So thank you, and it is built by the Spacescan team, and I hope it will help a lot of you enjoy. Yeah, thank you. That's it. Any questions? Sorry for the glitch, but any questions? xchflow.com. So go ahead and test it out, and you can reach out to our handle, Spacescan handle. Most of us know here, I hope. And or you can reach out to my email also, sabri@spacescan.io. I hope you support on this one.